Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today I want to start a new series. It records my painting, and every week I have, like, in my painting project, two large palettes containing Nabla eyeshadows. Most I have two other, one color pop and one effect eyeshadow in it, but I want to create this types of 12 palettes for a week, so I concentrate on these shades. And yes, I hit a new bang, so I concentrated this week on this palette, and I was thinking every Friday I will hop on here and do a tutorial for you guys. And I already primed my lids with that the balm, put the lid on it, eyelid primer, and I already used the eyebrow highlighter because I don't have it in here. But I think I'm gonna do a little cute plum purple eye look. And yeah, let's get into it. So I will start out in the crease with this shade. I've been loving it quite a bit. Next, I'm gonna go into this shade. I'm going in with this purple again. Going into this again. And I will use the same shade on the lower lash line. I will add this on the lower lash line, really in the close to the lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade, but underneath I will be applying the glitter glue, so it will come more out. Now I go over with this and blend everything out. As an inner corner highlight, I use this eyeshadow. It's from Wet n Wild. I think one of those quads, or is like 5 eyeshadows. I don't remember which one it was, but I'm going to use this. It's super beautiful. This is also what I have mixed with the matte creamy color, and I apply top this. But yeah, I will apply it in the inner corner of the eye. I will go and now finish off the eyes with some black in the waterline and mascara, and then I will come back and show you the finished eye look. So this is the finished look. I'm coming closer. So in my waterline I use this Doucce Smudge resistant eyeliner in 009, and as my mascara I have the Essence Princess Lash Sculpt Volume Mascara. I really do like it. It's good and it doesn't flake. So and on my lips I have the Nabla Dreamy Matte Liquid Lipstick in Fetish Mauve. I think it all goes well together and I'm really happy. And yes, I know I'm wearing like purple eyeshadow and I have purple hair and I'm all about purple right now. I don't know. On Valentine's Day yesterday I was also wearing a purple dress and I have purple nails and oh my, I'm really into purple. Who knew? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this week's look and I can't wait to share with you what I will be doing next week. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!